Alright guys, today's video is going to be more about the table than about looking at my ugly mug. I've been getting a lot of questions of what do I carry to the bee yard with me when I work bees. Well, simple. I've got a pocket full of, got 2 queen cages. I usually carry 2 or 3 because I'm always, you could see that one got blue paint all over it, 2 shades of blue, whichever shade of blue I could find for this year's queen's color. Sharpie, because I have my own code I write on top of my lids. X-Acto knife. You can see where all the wax is stuck to it, where I cut queen cells out. And I've had a couple people ask what kind of paint I use. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know how much it costs. It's acrylic fast drying paint. Had a person move out of their house and they left a bunch of stuff and they said, anything you want, go back and get. And I got about 50 bottles of this. I prefer the lighter, brighter colors, usually like green, orange. Instead of red, I use all those are fluorescent. I use a fluorescent pink because personally I just don't very easily see red in a hive, because most of your red colors are dark, and obviously white's going to be bright. And a hive tool. This is Chris Kinzer. I'll try to remember to link his YouTube page, his Facebook page in the description in case you want to get one of these tools. There's a couple of videos about this. This tool is great when banging against a brick. Let me go get a brick. When you have a swarm in the air, it's called ringing in a swarm, calling in a swarm, whatever you want to, but this seems to ring at the perfect pitch and vibration, and they'll come just about right to you. That's why all this stuff is sitting here. That barrel in this cart, there's a swarm up in the tree right here, and it's trying to light in the top of this 40-foot tree, and me just standing here underneath it with a hive body sitting right here, they came down to about 10 feet, shook them in the box and moved them on. But that's basically it. I carry paint, queen cages so I can mark the queens, an X-Acto knife to cut queen cells, cut anything else I need like burr comb across the bottom of the frames, a pin for that, and a hive tool. That's basically it. So all of you guys that have sent me messages wanting to know what I carry to the bee yard, there you go. Hit that like, subscribe, and share.